Good morning. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating some exercises from a specific post-surgical total knee replacement rehab program. The program is a PDF file. I'm showing you how the exercises look in real life. So the first exercise I'm going to demonstrate is called an ankle pump. Now this can be done laying flat or it can be done laying on an incline. Usually it's done in bed. And if I'm laying back in my bed, we're pretending that it's a left total knee replacement. What I'm going to be doing is pulling my toes back and pointing my toes forward. Now, I'm going to remove my shoe so I can demonstrate a little better. You can see I pull my toes back, I flex the ankle, then I extend the ankle by pointing my toes down. The intent of performing this exercise is to help pump some of the fluid out of the lower leg. Assuming there's going to be some swelling on the knee when you're up on your feet or in a seated position, that fluid is going to drain down into the foot and ankle. This is one way to start to move that fluid, support the lymphatic system, and get that fluid back into circulation. A better way to do an ankle pump is to elevate the leg. So in some cases, what we would do is we would arrange pillows on the bed so that the leg is higher. If you can imagine, I'm laying in bed just like this, and now I'm going to perform the same ankle pump exercise but with the leg elevated to between 30 and 45 degrees. I'll perform 20 to 30 repetitions 3 to 4 times a day.